here singing happy birthday.
Come on, let's go back and eat. Let's go and eat. You gonna sit right there? Hey, sit right there. Let's go. Move, Gab. Get up. Before I step on you, Gab. Haley, not you. Not you.
Whose phone she's got, Sheree?
Good job. It's probably about They got Capri Suns there.
All right.
Oh, yes.
Hey, Madison, you say hi to Aunt Brittany? How old are you?
Can you sit right
2.
there?
That is your cake. Are you excited? Are you having fun? How old are you today?
She said I already told you.
Yeah, we already got how old I am.
Yeah, you got that in the first bite, and she actually said it on demand.
She did, and I'm very proud. You guys all want to say happy birthday to Madison? Say happy birthday, Maddie.
Happy birthday, Maddie.
Yay, you guys are good.
Madison, how old are you? Good job.
So we have a very big party today. It is September 27th, 2009. Madison, what did you get for your birthday? What's in your backyard?
Well, she's touching me.
Madison? Not yet. Keep your fingers to yourself, please.
Maddie, look Is that your birthday cake? Maddie! Hi, cutie. How old are you, Madison? 2.
Madison, what's in your backyard now? Do you have a swing set?
Swing set.
Tell Aunt Brittany, do you have a swing set? Maybe.
Loves that swing set.
Yeah, she does. Yay! 2 years old. Minnie, I'm glad to see you. I haven't seen you in a while.
Let's put the cake, watch it down.
We want to touch it.